Hello mga kalindog, this is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlogs, we're going to try and haul my summer duster. Oh, I bought 3 types of summer duster for this summer. So we will try and haul. So if you love it, so tell me. So ayan, let us try. Ayan, okay?
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Dog, dahil summer na, kaya yan. Look at this, oh, look at this. This is Victoria. She's Marites. She's chismosa again. Nakikichismis. So, yeah, mga kalindog, that's why, actually, this dress or that dress is, they give me or sponsor my employer. So, my employer, my alaga, the what do you call that? Okay, my employer. I don't say, any matanda or old. By the way, they give it to me because next week here in Germany, it's going to be hot na. It's getting warm, and actually nakita niya because I'm always working like I'm sweating and said, "Oh Roha, why are you always sweating?" Oh, because I'm always like that. I'm a little bit moving because of course I help them go there, go where. Ayan, so of course mainit na in there because it's old, the house is always closed, so kaya it's very warm sa loob ng bahay nila. Inside the house is very warm, so kaya yan, they sponsor me, they buy me the dress, the summer dress. Ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung panahon dito. Ayan, diba, it's so, ayan, summer na, kaya yan mga kalindong, try and haul tayo ng ating dress na bigay ni Prouplesh ng aking employer. So kaya yan, enjoy ko dahil this my employer is very kind. They give me always the you know guys, they give me always present because maybe they like me or they love me because you know guys, we are Filipino. When we are working, we work really harder and hard. I mean, we work with love to them. So kaya they feel also na love ko sila, kaya they give me always or ayaw nila akong mawala. So that's it. So ayan mga kalindog, let's start na. I-try natin yung ating binili. Okay? Yung binigay ni Prouplesh. Come on! So ayan mga kalindog. So there we go. All my kalindog. All mga kalindog. Ayan. Dumating na ang aking summer for dress for summer. Ayan, 3 pieces siya mga kalindog. See, show you. Ayan. Ayan mga kalindog, di ba? Ito, maganda siya parang turquoise. Ayan, maganda siya mga kalindog. This is summer. So, ayan. So, because we're already 40 years old, so we need to use like this or for every day. Ayan, 1. And of course, this one, I love it because there's a lot of, what do you call that? It's diba? It's like, salaginto. And there's a lot of, small circle, diba? And of course, ayan, mga kalindog. Diba? This is also beautiful. It's really summer. So, ayan guys, the size is, ayan, 36 to 38 size. Ayan, mga kalindog. So, kaya itatry natin siya mga kalindog kung better or not. O, diba? Kung maganda siya because summer on the way. Kaya yung mga kalindog. So, itry na natin to. Okay? So, let's start. Ayan guys, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. Ay, mga kalindog. Oh my God. I'm really getting bulol na. Nabubulol na naman ang inyong kalindog. So, ay mga kalindog, itry na natin ito. For example, this. O, diba? This is the purse. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda niya. Di ba? Ooh. O, di ba? What can you say? Mahaling dog, o, di ba? It's really for the house. And the color is beautiful. Ayan, mga kaling dog. Right? The size is really, ayan, it's very, and you know guys, the top or the, what do you call it, the top, it's, the tela, it's really, silk. Very nice. Ayan, very, cool. So, ayan, di ba? As you can see, ayan. Di ba? So, and this is the second, mga kalindog. Ayan, let's try it. So, ayan mga kalindog, this is the second. O, diba? Ang ganda niya mga kalindog, diba? It's like para tayong a mermaid. O, diba? Like a mermaid. Diba? I like it. O, diba? Beautiful. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo. Kung kanyang beautiful also. Look at my color guys. So my hands is dark. And look, it's not the same color. But anyway, it's good. Ayan o, diba? Beautiful. O diba? Beautiful din siya. Diba mga kalinggo? So, ayan mga kalinggo. Diba? And of course, ito mga kalindog, and last but not the least na pin na pin ko to. Okay, let's try it. There we go. Ayan mga kalindog, this is the third. Diba? It's good also. Diba? And ayan guys, again, the stock. O diba? Guys, it's really good for the summer. O, diba? Beautiful. So nice. Diba? So, pwede na tayo, we're going to go out like this, or I'm going to bike on like this, o, diba? Flash Gordon. O, diba? Ang ganda niya, guys. What can you say? So, ayan. So, ayan mga kalindog, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. Ayan mga kalindog, can you please tell me which one is better for me or which one is so nice? The color, that dress. Can you please write below or under below which one is better? Ayan o, diba? So, ayan mga kalindog. So, actually, that is also sponsor for my work, that dress, okay? So, ayan. So, thank you. Thank you for watching mga kalindog. I hope did you enjoy my try-on and haul. O, diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya. So, ayan mga kalindog. Thank you and hope again, see you again in my other next videos. Ayan. And this is it. I show you. This is my darling, Victoria. So, ay mga kalindog, bye everyone. Bye. Don't forget to smile. Bye.